What's up, y'all? Happy Monday. All that. Welcome to another vlog. So y'all, it is about, what time is it? About 5:30. We've had so much going on today. It was an off day for me as far as work goes. However, I filmed some videos. I'm still in the middle of a new foundation try on, which you guys should have already seen that video, but I filmed some videos, I cleaned up, and I tried to relax a little bit, but y'all know it'd be hard for me to relax. So now it's time to cook dinner, and I got beef with whoever thought it was a good idea. I don't know how we are expected to cook dinner every single day. Like, this is crazy. Every single day, I'll be like, this is some BS that I have to sit here and cook dinner every day. And I don't cook dinner every day. Baby, my limit is like 3 times a week, okay? I'm not cooking every day. Me and Mark share the cooking responsibilities, and then the days we don't want to cook, we going out to eat. I'm not cooking every day. That is insane to me. For the women who cook every day, for the men who cook every day, y'all are some real ones because I'm not doing it. But today is my day to cook. So I'm always trying to find new recipes because I'm tired of eating the same things over and over and over. So I follow this girl on Instagram. Actually, I just started following her, but I saved this reel a while ago. But I'm like, I should have been following her. Her name is Eats by Tweet. Y'all probably follow her because she has like 300,000 followers. So y'all probably already follow her. But I saved her reel a while ago. And it is the chicken Alfredo lasagna rolls. And it looks pretty simple to make. So we're going to attempt to make that today. I'm really excited. I also have some heavy cream that I need to use up because it's about to go bad. I got some chicken about to go bad in there too. The date coming up. So we're going to clean up this counter and try to make these chicken Alfredo lasagna rolls. I'm super excited about it. Hopefully they come out right. But I'm gonna show y'all how we make it. I will link the reel down below. I will link her, well, y'all will have her Instagram when I link the reel down below so you guys can check it out and make this if it looks interesting to you. I'm excited. They look super interesting and super good. So we'll see how they turn out. Your girl ain't no chef, so we'll see how they turn out.
show ya. You should me to call you when you turn me on. The way you telling me you want me down. Done it, I done this before you fall. I won't catch you, don't know I'm stalling. Cause you love to have them all crying. Calling me sweet, telling me you need me. But I'm from a city that's high school. I give them this and the more I go. Cause you a bad money, she don't love money. She break grass real fast like conman. Wanna swim down to the deep end. Wanna know all my secrets, honestly. Can you keep it real? Cause honestly, I can tell that you're real fond of me. Baby, don't be shy, I can see it in your eyes. I've been running around. Too bad, I've been sticking on your mind. I know you like it how I rock it from behind. I know you stand it how you taking all my time. Left, right, can you take it all night? Too bad, I've been sticking on your mind. I know you like it how I rock it from behind. I know you stand it how you taking all my time. Left, right, can you take it all night? Take it, baby, baby, I ain't scared to take it. Oh, and maybe when I take it, oh, I feel it coming down too strong. Cause I want ya, and it's hard to resist cause I need ya. And it's hard, baby, yeah, cause I believe ya. Hold me tight, holding on tonight. Holding a couple, let me get to you clean and proper. Way I move, ain't no weekend lover. You gon' have me on your mind forever. Ever, thanks baby, turn it down like a sweet and ready. Go slow, keep it nice and steady. Know that you've been keeping patience. Too bad, I've been sticking on your mind. I know you like it how I rock it from behind. I know you stand it how you taking all my time. Left, right, can you take it all night? Too bad, I've been sticking on your mind. I know you like it how I rock it from behind. I know you stand it how you taking all my time. Left, right, can you take it all night? Show ya, show me the color where you turn me on. The way you telling me you want me down.
Alright y'all, we are all done. I don't know how that is going to turn out. I feel like I should have made a little more sauce, more Alfredo sauce, but it's cool. It's in the oven now. I'm just gonna put some bread in the oven and then we are ready to eat and try it out. I'm super excited about this recipe just because it's something different. Like, I've never really done anything like this. So it's just something super different from what I normally do. And like I said, I get tired of eating the same old thing. So this recipe came right on time. So I'm gonna throw this bread in the oven and then we're about to try this food out. Okay, so we're at the end of this cooking process and her process didn't say this, but I'm gonna broil this on high for just a couple of minutes. It's, what time is it? 7:03. I'm gonna broil it till about 7:05 just to see. I just want kind of that little brown on top a little bit. So we're gonna broil it and get that cheese nice and melty, get that little brown on top, and then I'm gonna have everybody come down to eat. So everybody better get his 5 stars too, because I didn't work hard on it. Okay, y'all, moment of truth. Moment of truth. Oh yeah. Dinner ready. Yeah. It's so cheesy, y'all. All right, look at it. I'm gonna leave this bread in this warm oven for a little bit longer. My baby hungry, huh? My baby said y'all didn't even feed me. No. All right, this is what we look like. You see how I got that little brown on top? This is what we're looking like. It looks so good, y'all. So good. So I'm popping in with the voiceover because I realized I didn't give you guys a final review on what everybody thought of this recipe. First of all, it was a hit. What? Does it not look like a hit? This was so good, so cheesy, so easy to make. The only thing I will say is if you guys saw me actually like rolling the lasagna roll, then you would have saw me use an extra one. So I used 2 for each roll just because I could not get them to stay together with just one. So I don't know if I did something wrong there, why I couldn't get it to stay together, but I had to use 2 of the lasagna noodles. And that just made it, for me, a little too noodly, if that makes sense. Like, I just feel like one noodle would have been the perfect amount of pasta in the roll, but having 2 noodles just, it was a little too pasta-y. So if you have to add another noodle, maybe cut it in half and only had half of one instead of a whole one, and that might be perfect. But that's the only like complaint that I had about this recipe. This was such a good recipe. The family loved it. It was something different from what we normally make, and I just made some garlic bread with it and everybody tore it up. There were no leftovers. Like, it was so good. So definitely encourage you to make this meal. This is also a different video for me, so if you guys like this video, give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think about it and if you want me to do more, because your girl has been experimenting with the food. Okay, thank you guys so much for watching. I love you. I hope this video was fun, entertaining, and helpful for you, and I'll talk to you in the next one. Bye.